And the Lord said, let there be a live stream. GM, another workday. Be a professional and do your job. Link is up. Let's go. Market opens in a hot second. Favoring shorts naturally. Bouncing around yesterday's low. That was pretty cool. Right to the pip. '20 period. It looks pretty flat. All right. Well, have to think that this could be enough liquidity for a short continuation. Probably not this. I like that we swept the low here, then swept the high. Let's get this on here. And this is the low of the overnight session. Am I tripping? No, that's it. So overnight low there. All right, low risk pre-market entry. Not quite. Didn't close low. No clear direction on which way to get in. Probably short. Yeah, probably short. That's what I was thinking. Limit order right there would have been nice, eh? Hey. Know what I'm saying? Yo. All right. It's at 23.98, so right at the cycle level, 2400. Cycle level here. Boom. Tempting to get long in this area just because we did barely tap this liquidity. Let's get the open range gap drawn. Nice gapping down. Close, open range gap. Electronic trading hours. Boom. So just above the 20 period moving average here. %, of the range thus far is there. I think we inside up close. Tempting to take this long. Yeah, way too close to the open. Not gonna gamble at all, sir. No, sir. No, sir. just watching the tape, guys, reading the tape. Okay, down, 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 down we go. Boom. Did you know if you go to the daily chart, you stretch this line way out here, get this level, 242.75. All right. Tip tap, London low. Tippy tappy. Yesterday's low, 50% of the range. 20 periods here. No inefficiencies yet. 30-second has one. There. Nothing on the 1 minute yet. Inside up close, that's a long trigger of sorts. I'm not taking any longs right now, bro. No, sir. No, thank you. Okay. Inside up close. Boom. Reclaiming the 20. No. Kind of a fun short. Too much volatility currently. I like to measure everything, bro. 50% of this swing right here. So we tapped the low of the day and then boop, rejected. If it doesn't start to fill immediately, go in the direction of the gap. Gapping down, not filling immediately, tells us we want to go short. However, I do like to see a Judah swing in the opposite direction. The only Judah swing we've seen so far is lower, which means we might push it up here. Inside up close right there, that's the yellow bar. Long trigger here. No, sir, nothing too fancy, no displacement. Nothing to do except take some supplements and try to stay locked in. You get about one trade a day with this kind of risk. My parameters. Yeah, this makes sense. Question is, where does it reverse from? I'm saying. Know what I mean? All right, cat. Take a. Short signal, sweeping high. That's a short print. A little bit of a doji-ish. The body's in the middle of the candle. New swing. This is 50%. Looks like we got our initial imbalance potentially on the 1 minute in effect here. Quite possibly. After the next 15-second candle, it will be confirmed. Inside down close, almost. This is a little bit of a short trigger. Swept the liquidity, 50% of the gap. Balance is lower. All right. That is the print. Let's see what this is. Okay. All right. So we're above initial imbalance. Heading north. Close this gap. What I said was 200 period moving average here. From my plan, last week's low, 200 SMA. That's 24.59. Somewhere yonder. Also have this midnight and indog. Okay. I'm not gonna rush to any conclusions here. Worth considering getting long in this area. Initial imbalance. 200 based on the 1 minute. 20 based on the 2 minute. 50% of the range plus initial imbalance. Range gap. Lots of confluences here. Pretty steep reversal though. Do you really want to be caught? Well, that was a pretty clean bounce bar. Long trigger. $30-something points though, bro. What are you gonna do with that? That's quite a lot of volatility. You either have what it takes to play the game or you don't. Yeah, 32 points, 20 points here. Second chance. This looks like a bear flag to me, buddy. Yes, sir. All right, measuring this swing. 50% there. Yep. 50% there. 15-minute chart looks like expansion bar. Expansion. Your money's gotta be on the downside. Low of yesterday, initial imbalance, 20 period, SMA. Super steep channel here. Yeah, tempting to sell this. You got to jump in and hold your nose, they say. Double bottom. Would not surprise me to see a significant bounce. This low is just, from the daily chart, is so nice. There should be huge volume coming in right here. This level. Interesting long. Relative to the volatility, it's pretty low risk. Low risk, high reward. Just low probability as well. Low risk often comes with low probability. Ain't that right? That's right. Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh my gosh, I called it. Low probability, but I said an interesting long here because double bottom action. A lot of people want to see this. When this fails, people are trailing their shorts because they think it's going. They don't want to get back these profits, so it turns around on a dime. Inside down, 20 period. Tempting to take this short right here. 20 period initial balance. Still got to think that these lows are in play. Just need a no trigger, no trade. Need a clean trigger here to go short. Don't want to just jump in, you know what I'm saying? Inside down close. See, like, to what degree am I afraid of the risk here? Normally I would just take this. Inside down close, normally I would just sell this right here. That is how much risk. Yep, that's about 50 points, $50 worth of risk. Stop goes there. And good volume here. Good volume. Nice volume. Mm-hmm. That dialed in right to the 50. Yeah, also it tagged the 50 perfectly. Nice, bro. Nice, dude. Swept yesterday's low here one more time. Don't need this on here anymore. Distracted me. Distracted me. It's at up close on the 5 minute. 3 minutes left to go though. Back above initial imbalance. Here. Tempting to take this back down here. How high can this really bounce? all the way to the moon. Realistically, ugly reversal on the 30-second. Long right there. A little bit of a gamble though. What's the initial imbalance? No trigger, no trade. Inside up close right here. Not really possible to trigger since this bar. You know what's interesting? See what this level does right here. Nice wick to the tick. Almost. Still like this level best. Still think it makes sense to just touch this. Thing is about knowing or thinking it's going to go here is being able to define a trade based on the risk that makes sense for my account. Okay, no bounce here. This is a cliffhanger setup now. Now we're in cliffhanger territory. Cliffhanger is an up close bar. Technically, this is an up close bar. Right there is where I wanted to sell it. Playing for this level here. See this now. This wick, this push up, all this would be giving me severe to moderate irritation. I'm not in the trade and I'm aggravated just looking at it. Because what you have is up, down, staying within the range. So contracting here means basically everyone's agreeing on price. Here is fair value. Let's put the yellow line on it. Somewhere right around yonder. Nice short candle here. Again, do I like this range? Not really. If we break here, do I like going short? I mean, long today? Not really. So, what am I even willing to consider right now? Possibly a signal like this does make sense. Here, last 5-minute candle. Possibly this short here does make sense to play here. I still like this level. Again, with this kind of inside the range activity. That should definitely fall off. Oh man, you're giving some people freaking heart attacks right now. Straight lines made jagged. That is just totally awesome. That's what makes the game so tricky, bro. Very nice. Nice looking candle there. Tempted to take this short. Close of this candle. See, what is that all about, really? I'm trying to pick the exact 15-second entry candle. It's so hard, dude. What am I doing right now? I'm playing literally the hardest game on the planet. All right. So inside down close. Big push up. 50% of the range. This ought to go all the way down. It shouldn't wait at all. It should just puke. Sir, yes, sir. Don't need this. Don't need this. Nice, dude. Nice. Bear trap. Bear trap. Short signal here would be pretty much golden. This is almost a short signal. Short signal here would be kind of nice if I was telling the truth. Hmm. It's a little too much of a doji. Short signal there, but it's a little bit of a doji. The body's small and in the middle. That would have been a hammer, bro. I mean, a shooter. Would have sold it immediately. I still like this to fall right here. Dude, the shorts are so annoyed. Oh my god. Can you believe it? Can you believe if you're playing for this level selling all right here? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's unbearable. Inside down close right here. Inside down close. Got him one more time. Right at the moving average. Appears that we're in a holding pattern of some kind. Not mad at a short in this level still. Yeah. Just need a trigger. Hmm. Mm. 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 Inside down close on the one. That's an interesting short trigger right there. $8.59. Oh my god, please. Cut him some slack. Oh my god. Oh my god, cut him some slack, bro. Please just fall here. I'm not even in the trade. I just like, can you just give these people some relief? Thank you. Oh my god, thank you so much. Here's all the volume. That was the short trigger right there. If you look, it's purple. Weak close. Long wick at the top. Just after this, it gets hard to execute when you're. Now the truth is, that was the one. And you could kind of see. Inside up close. Hmm. Hmm. I like this short. Too premature after this move. Too much risk here. Body in the middle. Super tiny body I don't normally like, but after all this, this was a pretty nice short entry. I should have taken this entry. Why did I not? Still a little trigger shy on this new account. Going to have to pop my cherry, so to speak. Interesting. Could see this being a bottom. Could see this reverse all the way up here. What's the matter, baby? You have a headache still? Oh, baby. Want ibuprofen? What? I, hmm. Hmm. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be done for the day. Not gonna gamble. Trying to pick a bottom here, and I'm kind of out of time to wait for pullback. So one golden opportunity here. Other than that, pretty good day just watching price. This was a pretty looking trigger. Candle there. Just fun double bottom. Not the highest probability, but very high risk to reward, clearly. All right, that's it. I'm out.